Yeah, I know. It's been a great time in Taiwan. What's up everyone? This is my new bike. I just picked it up from Taitung station where my friends from Taiwan sent it to me. So I just start cycling. My first day cycling was supposed to be tomorrow, but yeah, I started today and I did 42 kilometers and I did enjoy. Oh, what about my trailer? Okay, so when I built this trailer, because I'm a smart guy, I thought about the bike option. So, this piece is what I need right now. I have to attach this to the bicycle under the seat, and that's it. The only problem is that to attach this to the bicycle and to be able to use the trailer, I have to take the rack off, and for that I need tools that I don't have, so I have to wait Dave when he comes back. I'm gonna do that. Everything is ready for a new adventure. Now I'm Dave in Dooley. Now I'm Dave in Dooley. Where are we? Dooley? Dooley. Now I'm at David in Dooley homestay. It's a great place. Nice guy from Manchester. Yeah, he's a very hard-working guy. Do you want to say something to people who come to Taiwan? Or
yeah,
to Dooley?
Dooley is a beautiful part of Taiwan on the east coast. It's very famous for the cycle tours and also the surfing, windsurfing, backpackers, and it's a beautiful part. Jurassic Park in the background, my back garden, and this is a super place to be and retire and just enjoy life. No pollution.
Thank you, you're
all
awesome.
The best, all the best, awesome too.
I parked my bike. I've done 15 kilometers today so far. It's been a little bit tough. I went up and down and it's very windy, so I'm not gonna go fast. But I'm here in Sangshitan and there is a very famous bridge which I'm going to see right now. Okay, so I'm here right now. This is the famous bridge called 8 Arch Bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And there is a small island with a lighthouse. I'm in the island, the small little tiny island. I want to see the lighthouse. That's a really tiny lighthouse. I'm not gonna climb up there just to see that one. Wow, this place is unbelievable. Look at there. That was worth it to go. My bike is still here. Yeah. I'm having a snack and it's getting dark, but no worries. I booked for tonight in one place, guest house 4 kilometers from here. I just stopped for a snack and to see the view. I'm at the Tropic of Cancer. Oh, good morning, by the way. I've done 21 kilometers today so far. It's raining. It's not too windy today, so it's not that bad. Wait, because it starts raining heavily now. And oh, let's go under the tree. And yeah, I was happy until 5 minutes ago, and then one guy that saw me with my bike and my trailer, he told me he did the round trip in Taiwan on bicycle. He asked me where I'm going next, and I say Hualien and then Henan. He told me between Hualien and Henan is the toughest road, probably, and I'm not gonna able to do it with my trailer, so he suggests me to take a train or bus. So now I don't know what to do. And the thing is, I'm gonna stop in Hualien for 3 days, maybe 4. I have to plan my next destinations after Taiwan. So I need I need to stop sometimes. And then I still have 2 weeks in Taiwan, but there is Christmas and New Year. I want to be in the New Year, in the New Eve on Taipei, and Christmas hopefully with someone, but at least not on the road. So now it's gonna be difficult. It's gonna be impossible to go back to Taipei only on bike, and I have to make a choice. I mean, I was thinking right now I don't have too many choices, and I don't think I have time. So tomorrow, after tomorrow, I'm gonna reach Hualien, then I have to seriously think what I really can do. I didn't want to take public transport to finish my trip to Taipei. I mean, I chose a bicycle, and I thought it was easier, which it is in a way. I'm faster, but it's not easier. It's not easy for my body, and I'm kind of depressed now. It stopped raining for now, so I stopped to it something. The raining here is not the normal rain. It's in the ice it burns, and it's kind of oily, like it's not clean water. Anyway, this adventure is gonna be very hard. I checked. I want to do another like 20 kilometers today. It's still early, so I can do it. The problem is there are not many accommodation along the road. Ooh. It's not been raining all day, luckily for me, and it's been good actually. I did enjoy a lot, and I love this part of Taiwan. I've done about 40 kilometers today, I'm not sure. I still have more than 50 to arrive in Hualien. I will try to arrive tomorrow evening. Once in Hualien, I will stay there a few days, and I also have to decide the destiny of my Taiwan trip. Let's see. Now it's about 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. It's time to find accommodation. And I found a pinky bed. My goodness. Okay, this place, this homestay or guest house is owned by a really old couple, and I feel like I'm in a different era. I pay 800 Taiwanese dollar for the room, which is it's okay. It's not bad, and it's so cozy. I mean, old style, but with this curtain, yeah, it's okay. And there's a coffee over there. I have water. I bought some instant noodles, so I'm gonna cook my dinner. I have big TV, and I'm alone here. There are other rooms, but yeah, I'm alone. Yeah. I don't know where I am. I think I'm here. And tomorrow I want to try to do all these parts until Hualien, which is around here. It's gonna be a long day. Good morning, it's 8:30 AM, and I started 1 hour ago. I did already 10 kilometers, and now I stopped for breakfast. Finally it stopped raining. I'm so happy. I'm still going uphill, but I'm waiting for the moment I go downhill. I'm not too high, I'm about 300 meters, but you know, with 40 kilos trailer, it's a bit tough. I made it to Hualien. After this bridge, I will be in Hualien, which is right there, and this will be my last stop, my last place by bicycle. I decided to stop in Hualien. I'm gonna stop a few days here, and then I will still travel a little bit, and of course I have to go back, and of course I have to go back to Taipei, but I will use train or buses, whatever. Yeah, I know. It's been a great time in Taiwan. I challenged myself more than it was a big challenge, more than I was expected. And yeah, I have so many things to say, so many people to thank, and so I will see you soon anyway.